We are pleased to show you the 2026 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, steering wheel audio controls. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.